welcome to another cook with me vlog. I'll be preparing my dinner. I'll be making some wet fried liver, and I also have some vegetables that I've already bought. Then to top it up, I'll be making some ugali. Anyways, let's just get right into it. So I already have these in here. I have the vegetables. I'm just going to cut them up. So these are all the vegetables that I have. I'm going to wash them. Then after washing them is when I'm going to cut them up. So after I've washed my vegetables, I'm going to cut them up. As you see me doing here, I don't like cutting my vegetables into smaller sizes, so I'm going to cut them into medium sizes. So I've already finished cutting my vegetables. This is what I have, this here. Did you see that? So now that I've finished cutting my vegetables, I'm going to start with my liver. Here they are. They are not a lot. Let me put them in a sufuria. Why am I even confused? So I'm going to put them in here. Let me just do this. They're so bloody. They had already been cut into smaller pieces at the butchery. The butcherman had already cut them, but I'm going to go in again and just cut them again, just to be sure. So this is what I have in here. I'm just going to look for the ones that are a bit big, then I'll cut them into smaller sizes. They are so slippery, but anyways, it's fine. So since the butcherman didn't remove, there's a certain layer that's always on the top of it, but since the butcherman didn't remove that, I'm going to boil these for like 30 minutes. I won't boil it for long. So I have my liver in here. This is what I'm going to put on the fire so that it can boil for 30 minutes. So I've already put my liver on the fire. As that cooks, I'm going to go ahead and just cook my vegetables, and I'll also cook the ugali so that by the time all is done, the liver will be done. I'm going to show you all this process. So guys, as everything is cooking, I'm going to prepare my ingredients that I'm going to fry the liver with. But first of all, I'm going to put water that I'm going to be using to make my ugali. I'm going to put the water on the fire. Then I'll take my flour and I'll just add a little bit onto the water. So as that is boiling, I'm going to cut my tomatoes and my onions. So let's do this.
Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly.
I use 2 tomatoes here.
You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
That I'll be using on my liver. I don't love a lot of spices, so I'll just use these. Then maybe I'll use Royco and I'll use curry powder. Only those two on as my spices. After preparing all those, I'll start with my ugali. The water has already boiled, so I'm just adding in some flour. Then I'll koroga it, or I'll stir it until it forms until it becomes so thick, as you will see me doing here. So guys, I hope you are enjoying this video. If you're new here, kindly subscribe to my channel, or if you haven't subscribed yet, please just subscribe to my channel. Make sure you watch the video to the very end, and do like this video and leave a comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think about this video. One thing I always do to know that my ugali has cooked up real well is that I leave it until it starts coming out, until there's this sweet smell that comes from my ugali, and then I will know that imeiva vizuri. So at this point, I'm going to put it on the plate. There it is, as you can see me doing there. Then I'll go ahead and start with my liver. So I'd already pre-boiled the liver, as you saw me doing earlier. I'm just going to stir it up. It's all the water is out. I'm going to add oil onto it, then just continue stirring. Then after stirring, I'm going to add in my onions, and these onions I'll leave them to cook until they are golden brown, because when you leave the onions, when you cook onions kazijaiva, zitabaki na that smell. After the onions are golden brown, I'll add in my tomatoes, my capsicum, and my bell and my red peppers. So that's it. I'm going to stir all of this until all the tomatoes zimebondana vizuri. Then I'm going to go in, add my salt and the spices that I had planned out earlier. I'm going to add the salt, I'm going to add Royco, and after that I'm just going to add curry powder, as you see me doing here. Then I'll just stir everything so that everything is incorporated into the liver. Then that is it. At this point, all the tomatoes have already smashed up real good. You can see it, like it has incorporated into the liver and all that. Guys, this looks so tasty. Anyway, at this point I'm going to add some water, because I'm making it wet fry, like not really that dried up. So I'll add my water, then continue stirring. Look at that stew, oh my god. At this point, so I'm going to remove the chili peppers. They've served their purpose. Then I'm just going to continue stirring and stirring, adding a little bit of water till I'm satisfied with it. Then I'm going to taste. This is just to know if the salt is okay and if all the flavors have really incorporated well into the mixture. I'm just going to garnish it, and for garnishing I'm going to use my coriander, then stir it for a few seconds, then take it out. And guys, this is my stew. Look how yummy it looks. Guys, so right now I've already finished cooking. I want to plate my food, then I eat. I'm excited after cooking all this for myself. Then it's time to eat, like the best reward. Anyways, let's plate them. So my ugali is right over here. I have my liver here, guys. Look at this. How does it look? Doesn't it look tasty? And I wish I had milk. I don't know if milk can be put in this, but it's sweet as it is. I'm even salivating, guys. I'm salivating. Anyways, I'll put it in this plate. There. They're so sweet. Guys, I wish you were here to taste this. I think it tastes as sweet as it looks. So I have my veggies over here. So I'll just put this right there. Then I'll take my ugali. I don't have that small knife, so I'll use this knife. And I'll just cut into half. Then plate this over here. Is it a lot, guys? I don't think so. It's not a lot. So yeah. This is my supper. This is my supper, guys. Appetizing, appetizing. Anyways, let me go sit down and eat. I deserve this. Let me taste for you. It tastes just the way as it looks. So yummy. I'm salivating, guys. Don't for real. It tastes so sweet. Super delicious. Let me go eat. Anyways, guys, thank you for staying up to this point. I hope you enjoyed the video, just as I did enjoy the whole process of making this meal. Comment in the comment section, what do you think? Like this video too, and I'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye.